use the models, which shows a correct comparison of these decimals. So the first thing I always want to do is notice the numbers that are here. Notice the models that are here. I'm noticing this says 7/10, but really this is 70 hundredths. So I'm going to put an imaginary 0 right here. And that imaginary 0 now lets me compare my tenths to my hundredths. So we're looking at the comparison. I can see from the picture that this one is automatically larger than the other because of the amount of squares that are shaded in. So I've circled my larger number. I'm going to go through my test and circle the larger number, and then look. This greater than symbol is pointing to the correct location, but I can't stop there. This is incorrect. This is incorrect. And of course, this is not equal. So A is my answer choice.